Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to copy apps and data from your old phone onto your new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. You can do it if you are in the setup, or you can also do it later after the setup. If you are in the setup currently, you can just click on Next and continue. But I'll get out of it now so that I can show you how to do it post-setup. And now I'm post setup, and you can either access it by if you have the finished setting up your device notification, you can click on it and go through the steps, and it'll also ask you for that. But if you don't have that notification anymore, you can go to the Samsung folder in the app drawer and find the Samsung Smart Switch app. Then you can click on continue and give all the permissions. Now you can select receive on this phone and select the source. So whether you're transferring from a Galaxy or Android phone or from an iPhone or an iPad. This video covers the Android, but iPhone, iPad transfer is very, very similar. Now you'll need to get the app. The app can be found on Androids on Google Play Store, and on iPhones, of course, on App Store. You can search for Smart Switch. If you have a Samsung phone, there's a chance that you already have that app on your phone. Now once it's installed, you can click on Open. Then let's continue, and it asks me for all the permissions, so I'll need to click on continue, then give the permissions. So the pictures and video, let's do while using the app, location while using the app, then allow calendar, allow your phone call logs, the contacts, and the location and everything else. As you can see, let's click on allow so that everything works properly. Now it tells me to permit usage access. Okay, and the files management, and then the installing unknown apps thing. Now let's go, and I'll scan the QR code that is showing on my new Samsung phone. And as you can see, it is now connecting. It's currently scanning for available data that can be transferred so that I can select what to transfer. I can select everything, and it tells me how much storage it'll take and how much time. Then I could also select just contacts, calls, accounts, and messages, so it could only transfer those, or I can select custom. So let's click on custom, and then you can select accounts, calls and contacts, messages, apps, settings, images, videos, music, and documents. You can also find out what data can't be transferred. I'll select everything besides the app and the apps, and then it asks me whether I want to transfer my account. Well, I'll need to copy here on the old phone. And then it'll copy the account, but it'll probably ask me about the password for that account. I'll skip it because I already have that account signed in, though. You could connect a cable for a faster transfer if you have a cable that fits both your phones at the same time. And I'll get back to you when it's done. And now the data was transferred, so you can click on done on your old device and leave the app. Then on your Samsung, you can just continue. It'll also suggest some things that you could do to finish your setup fully, and that is it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.